Hey there, my friends. Dan G. Fox here. Hope you're having a good day so far. Thanks, first of all, for stopping by and visiting my channel and watching this video. I really appreciate it. And I'll ask, if you do get something out of this video as you watch it, if you don't mind, click the like button below or even comment. I would really appreciate that. And of course, if you're not a subscriber to my channel, you're missing out on some good stuff, my friends. Go ahead and subscribe so you will not miss out on my videos that I put out. So, if you have come to this video, then it's highly likely that you are involved in MLM or network marketing. Since the title says, attention, MLM and network marketer, let's talk. And it is time to talk, because we need to take just a frank look at what MLM is happening in MLM. All right. And so as we sit around the kitchen table, just having a talk between you and I, all right, you're here because one of two things. One, yes, definitely you're interested in MLM, but also you're either a very frustrated network marketer, or you are doing well in network marketing, but you want to know what the heck is going on with LiveGood, because it's off the chain. 9 out of 10 times, if you've been involved in network marketing, you're probably a frustrated network marketer. Okay? Now, look, I got involved with network marketing back in the 70s. Yeah, the 70s, right? The granddaddy of network marketing, Amway. I got involved with Amway and did fairly well with that. I became a direct distributor, and I just kind of got into my blood after that. It's like I love the concept. Eventually, I moved on to another company that had to do with health and nutrition, and then I started marketing online. So I see the network marketing business, and I will tell you, there are a lot of frustrated marketers in network marketing, because it gets expensive if you're not making any money. I mean, you got to buy products, and you got to make sure you have a certain amount of products so you can get that little commission, and you're not getting a lot of commission, and people that you recruit don't stay in because they can't afford it. It's just a difficult task. I mean, just be honest. And I had really gotten frustrated with it because I was busting my butt off online with network marketing with a different company, and I was making some money, but not a lot of money. So I just stopped with network marketing online, and network marketing period, and went more into affiliate marketing. And then along came LiveGood, and I had to take a second look at it before I decided I really wanted to get involved with this business. Because one, I said I didn't want to get involved with selling products again, and I didn't want to get involved with network marketing, period. But I took a second look at this, and I'm glad I did. And so I'm inviting you, as seasoned network marketers, whether you're doing well and have a team of, who knows, 100,000 people, or you're doing horrible and frustrated and ready to give up on network marketing, I'm inviting you to take a look at LiveGood now. I mean, now is the time. It really, really is. I mean, we're 6 months into this, and you would not believe how well things are going with LiveGood and for us members. You know, a lot of seasoned network marketers have been sitting around just watching this company little by little, saying it's not going to pay off well, but hey, it is. It's really going strong, and it's continuing to grow. So if you're a frustrated network marketer and not made any money or made little money, or you're really doing well in network marketing, got big teams, now's the time to stop sitting back and watching. Now's the time to get involved, all right? Because we're growing, and so you can either watch us grow or you can grow with us. It's up to you. Now, right now, we only have about, 15, 16, 17 products somewhere in that area that are being sold by LiveGood. But we're looking at over 200 products that we'll be expanding to, and not just in the health and wellness niche, not just in the supplement niche, but in other areas. It may be cleaning products, maybe personal care products. Who knows what it's going to be, but we're going to be expanding it up to over 200 products. So this is the beginning stages of an awesome business. And when I say awesome, I mean really awesome. We're only 6 months old. And just let me show you something. Let me shrink myself down here and take a look at this. Why is this the time to get involved? We're only 6 months old, and over 400,000 people have become paid members in just 6 months' time. That's just, I don't know of any other company that's done that. I'll just be honest with you. I mean, that's just awesome growth. Just this month alone in June, over 100,000 new members this month. 25,000 of them just this week. And 4,000 today alone have become paid members with LiveGood. What are you waiting for, my friends? What are you waiting for? This is an awesome business. It's time to stop looking. It's time to stop watching if this is going to work. It's working. I've been involved with LiveGood since early January. I've been paid every week since then. I've gotten paid my monthly checks since then. It's just different over here, as our Crown Diamond says. This program is designed for everybody to make money. It is designed that even if you don't do anything, if you don't refer anybody, if you don't sell anything, you can still make money with this company. That's the awesome thing about it. And you know, there's no guarantee how much you will make, but you can make as much as $2,000 a month doing nothing. Now, how fast will that happen? Don't know, can't predict that. But the way this pay plan is set up, and the way this system is set up, it will happen. You will be able to make money with this. If you're a frustrated marketer, never made money with this is the time to end your frustration. You know, and because LiveGood is so different, we're growing. And the momentum with this company is just off the chain. Let's look at some of the. There's a site called Business for Home, and they rate different home businesses, MLMs, and things of that nature, and do a really good diagnostic of the companies. Let's just take a look at a couple of them that I picked out that have been around. This one, the granddaddy, Amway. You know, Amway's been around since the 50s. All right, and like I said, I got involved. I think I joined Amway in 78 or 76, somewhere in there, but in the 70s. Okay, the granddaddy. They set the mold for it, but look, they're down 9%, and the momentum is only 45. All right. Let's take a look at Mary Kay. They've been around a long time. They're down 15. And their momentum is way down to 93. Okay? Herbalife. I remember when Herbalife was a big thing. I mean, everybody was talking about Herbalife. Oops, they're down 10%. Okay? Their growth is just down 41% momentum. Another company, Young Living, they're down 9%. Look at the revenue, it's going down 9%. Their momentum is at 25. Then we come to LiveGood, who's only been around since January with this model. Look at the estimated revenue growth, 500%. Okay? And momentum is 12%. They've overcome all these companies. LiveGood has overcome all these companies in just a short period of time. This is why I'm appealing to you network marketers that now is the time to come aboard. Why do I say now is the time? Because remember, I said we have 400,000 paid members that have joined so far this month. All right, in 6 months. That's just a drop in the bucket. And the way this plan is set up, the way the pay plan is set up, the matrix is set up, it's a 2x15 matrix. And the way that it's set up is if you're in now, we expect to have over 1 million people by the end of the year. And I think we're well on track to make that happen. And if you're in now, if you come over now, bring your team with you for sure. But think about it. If we're at 400,000 members now, all right, and we're expecting 1 million people, they can only come in under somebody, all right? They just can't come in and just be on their own. They've got to come in under somebody. They've got to go into somebody's matrix. And so by you coming in early, by you coming in now, then a lot of those people are going to naturally fall into your downline and become part of your team. And when they do, you're going to get paid on them, whether you brought them in or not, because it's just the spillover. Because it's a 2x15 matrix, you can only have 2 on your first row, 4 on your second row, and 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 256, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. And so it flows on down. So, look, there are people that are making thousands of dollars a month already with this company. And so if you've got a team and you bring them over, you're already in position to start making rank. You know, diamond. You want to get the diamond, crown diamond rank, platinum, gold. You can do it. If you're that frustrated marketer that's never made any money, even if you don't have a team, come on over. When you come into LiveGood and you come in under my team, we're one of the fastest growing teams, so of course the spillover would come. But also we provide exclusive tools, resources, groups, training to those that are part of our team. And because I do this full time, I'm around all the time. I'm here to help you. You're not going to be doing this on your own. You're not going to be doing this by yourself, my friends. So it's time to stop looking. It's time to become part of the fastest growing and really lucrative paying company around, LiveGood. Oh, and I don't even talk about the products in this video, but the products are awesome. All right, I'm using them myself. Okay, real short, and I'm going to end this video quickly. Here's the thing. One of the other things that's making LiveGood so popular is, one, we're a membership company. You know, like Netflix or Prime, Amazon Prime or Sam's Club or Costco, whatever. We sell memberships, and when we sell memberships, people have the opportunity to buy the products at just awesome prices, at discount prices, 70 to 80%, sometimes 90% off of retail in some cases. But what makes LiveGood outstanding and why people are staying in is because there's no mandatory product purchase. You don't have to buy vitamins. You don't have to buy the protein powder. You don't have to fill your garage up with products to make your BV or your PV or your GV or all that stuff. If you're network marketing, you know what I'm talking about. There's no mandatory product purchase at all. There's no auto ship at all. I mean, it's a membership program, so if you buy the products, great. If you don't, fine. It's just like with Costco. You know, you're a member of Costco. They don't tell you every month you've got to go in and buy some soap from Costco. You got to go buy a case of tuna from Costco. They don't tell you that. You go and buy when you're ready to buy. Same with LiveGood. When you want to buy the products, they're there at the discounted price, and that's what you're paying for. So this is why people are sticking with us, because they're not being made to buy anything, and they're making money. So my friends, now's the time to come on over. And hey, maybe you're loving your network marketing company, you want to stick with it. There's no problem with that. If you're already established, hey, you can do both of them. All right, LiveGood does not have a policy against being a two network marketing companies at the same time. So you could actually do both. But I'd almost guarantee you that once you come on over to LiveGood, you're going to put all your effort into that, because you're going to see how fast your matrix is going to grow. Okay, because my matrix is I'm growing big time, and a lot of it is because of spillover and spill under. So now's the time. What are you waiting for? Huh? Just like my little caption on this page says, what are you waiting for? Now is the time. Click the link below. Take the free tour. It doesn't cost you anything to check out what LiveGood has to offer. You take the free tour. You can see the momentum of this company when you do that. You'll see how many people are joining up after you, both paid and non-paid people. You'll see what's happening. It'll help you to see that this is the time and the place to get involved with. So you can take the free tour. There's no credit card, no payment information required to take the free tour. You can check out the products. You can just check out the website. You can see what's available to you. All right, my friends. So I hope that you'll stop being a frustrated network marketer if that's what you are, or if you're doing well in network marketing, I hope you'll stop looking and start being a part of the fastest growing and what I think is the best network marketing company around. So check the link below, take the free tour, and we'll talk soon. And my friends, you have a foxtastic day. Oh, and if you did get something out of the video, don't forget to click the like button, comment, and subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Take care.